In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook so they can no longer see your profile or contact you. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap the search icon at the top of the screen and type the name of the person you want to block. From the search results, tap their profile to open it. Once their profile page opens, tap the three dots next to the message or follow button to open more options. A menu will appear with several actions you can take. From this list, tap Block. Facebook will then show you a short message explaining what happens when you block someone, such as preventing them from seeing your posts, tagging you, or sending you messages. To continue, tap Block again to confirm your choice. After confirming, the person will immediately be blocked from interacting with your account. If you ever want to unblock them later, you can go to your account settings and manage your blocked list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.